Alright, we got the chainsaw, the gasoline. I'm going to go ahead and get this open and get it assembled. Here we have our blade. Operator's manual. Alright, there is the main part. Go ahead and take that out. There we have for our mixed gas. And there's our chain. Alright, let's go ahead and take the main part out of the bag and get the rest of it assembled. Alright, so we have the chain assembled. I'm now getting ready to tighten on the cover, the clutch cover, and let's see what the next step is. Alright, and there you have it. Chainsaw assembled, ready to go.